Greetings. Today, I'm excited to guide you through resolving the issue of Windows cannot access the specified device for Fortnite OG. If you're encountering difficulties with your Fortnite game, particularly under Epic's umbrella, let's delve into the solutions together. To start, let's launch the Epic Games Launcher. Once it's up and running, you'll notice I have both Fortnite and Hitman in my library. Let's focus on Fortnite for now. The first method involves running the Epic Launcher as an administrator and adjusting Fortnite's compatibility settings. Begin by closing the Epic Games Launcher and locating it in your system files. Once you've found it, right-click and select Open File Location twice to access its root directory. From there, navigate to Properties, then Compatibility, and ensure that Run this program as administrator is checked. Apply the changes, and you're set. Alternatively, you can right-click the Epic Games Launcher icon on your desktop and select Run as administrator for a quicker approach. Next, within the Epic Games Launcher, head to your library and locate Fortnite. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Manage. Near the installation details, click on the folder icon. Here, you'll navigate through several folders until you find the Fortnite executable file. For each file, adjust the compatibility settings to run as if it were on Windows 8. Disable full screen optimizations, and ensure that running as administrator is unchecked. If the issue persists, consider clearing the cache files for Fortnite and Epic Games. Open the Run dialog and enter Calipap data. In the window that appears, delete the Epic Games Launcher and Epic Games folders, as well as the Unreal. These will be recreated when you next launch Epic Games. Should the problem persist, the final step involves adjusting permissions for Fortnite's files. Again, navigate to Fortnite's installation directory. Adjust the security settings for each file to grant full control to authenticated users, system administrators, and regular users. With these steps completed, you should be able to restart your computer and enjoy Fortnite once again. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips. Farewell for now, and happy gaming.